morning students. Today we are going to taking here revision for this chapter divisibility. Divisibility. Here divisibility test for given. Firstly you see here divisibility test for 2. Test for 2. If the unit place having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that number divisible by 2. If the unit place having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number divisible by 2. Then examples here 84, 362, 490, 968. See here, this unit place having here 4, here 2, here 0, and here 8. This unit place having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That number divisible by 2. Therefore, all these numbers are divisible by 2. Then divisibility test for 3. Divisibility test for 3. If the sum of the digits in a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then that whole number is divisible by 3. See example. 63, 872, suppose, then sum of the digits of a number 6 plus 3, 9. This 9 divisible by 3, therefore this number divisible by 3. Then do here addition 8 plus 7 plus 2. Sum of the digits of a number 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 2, 16, 17. Then this number divisible by 3? No. Then next one, divisibility test for 4. Divisibility test for 4. If the number formed by the digits in the tens and unit places of the number is divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. If the number formed by the digits in the 10 place and unit places of this number, then this number is divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. Example C. Here 992. These last two numbers, 10 place and unit place, formed this number. Which formed here number 92. Then 92 divisible by 4. Then this whole number is divisible by 4. Then you see this 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 11. Means this 92 divisible by 4. Therefore this number also divisible by 4. Again one example see. 6448. 6448. Here last two numbers you see here 48. This 48 divisible by 4. Therefore this whole number divisible by 4. The next one, divisibility test for 5. Divisibility test for 5. If the unit place having this number 0 or 5, if the unit place having number 0 or 5, then that number divisible by 5. Example 555, 400, 320, 525. See here unit place having here 5, here 0, here 0, here 5. Therefore all these numbers are divisible by 5. Then divisibility test for 6. divisibility test for 6. This, if the number divisible by 2 as well as 3, if the number divisible by 2 as well as 3, then that number divisible by 6. See example. 18. 18, this number divisible by 2 and also 3. 3 6 are 18, 2 9 are 18, and this number divisible by 6. 6 3 are 18. Then 42. 42. This 42 divisible by 2, 42 divisible by 3, therefore 6 also divisible by this 42. Means if the divisible by 2 as well as 3, then that number divisible by 6. Then next one, divisibility test for 9. Divisibility test for 9. Divisibility test for 9. If the sum of the digits of a number is completely divisible by this 9, then the number is divisible by 9. If the sum of the digits of a number is completely divisible by 9, then this number is divisible by 9. Example, 1980. Sum of the digits of a number. You do here sum of the digits of a number. 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 0. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 18. This 18 divisible by 9. Therefore this all number divisible by 9. Again one example you see here. 2999. Do this addition of these all digits. 2 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 9, 29. Then this number divisible by 9? No. Therefore, this 29 not divisible by 9. Therefore, this number not divisible by 9. Again one example see. 5004. 5004. You do here sum of the digits of a number. 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4. Then 5 plus 4, 9. This number divisible by 9. Therefore, this whole number divisible by 9. The next one, divisibility test for 11. Divisibility test for 11. If the difference of these numbers, these even numbers and odd numbers of these numbers is this difference is 11 or 0, then that number divisible by 11, and this whole number divisible by 11. The difference of these numbers of these even places and odd places, the difference is 11 or 0, then that number divisible by 11. Then example see. See here. Here this even place 9. You take here respectively, suppose here even or means 9 plus 2 11 minus 4 plus 3 7, 11 minus 7 4. Then this number divisible by 11? No. Then this number not divisible by 11. Then again one example you see. Again one example you see here. 9292. See this. 9 plus 9 2 2 9. 9 plus 2 11 and 2 plus 9 also 11. 11 minus 11, this difference is 0. Then this number divisible by 11. You see here, this number divisible by 11. You see here, this number divisible by 11. Here 11 8 are 88. Then 12 minus 8 4. Then you take here 2. 11 3 are 33. Then again here 12 minus 3 9. 2 9. This 99. 11 9 are 99. Means here this number divisible by 9. In this type of things, in homework you complete this today's class work. Means in homework you write this all these tests for this divisibility and examples also write. Okay, bye.